Hello, this is a video to show the solution to a common error for people switching from Blizzard R9U2 to R9U3, and for people who use civilian helicopters that haven't been updated. So if you get a civilian helicopter that, let's say, worked in R9U2, for example, in my case, this police helicopter, and it does this, where you're just teleported to it, and you're stuck with a loading helicopter model. You're going to want to first go to F9 and server side, and we see here FuelTanks is not a valid member of workspace. So we know that we're missing a fuel tank, which seems to be a common issue. So we're going to go into Studio. Firstly, I'm going to go over to this NH90 here, which came with R9U3 place that you get when you buy Blizzard. So I know that this one works and that it's up to date and converted. So we're gonna open it up in Explorer. We're gonna go into its functionality. We're just gonna find the fuel tank here, copy it, come over to our police helicopter, go up to functionality, and just paste it in there. So since it pasted all the way over there, you can just move it over here. Doesn't really matter where you put it. Just put it somewhere where you think the fuel tank would be, or if you know, just where you know it would be. I'm just gonna leave it here. I'm too lazy to rescale it. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and file, publish Roblox. Roll, and we'll quickly migrate, and join up. It'll take its time. We'll go over to our helicopter, which is this one over here. And I can already tell it's going to work because it came unanchored. With this U3 releases, loading helicopter model can take quite a while. So we'll just give it a bit. There we go. As you can see, now the helicopter works. It's as easy as that. And well, that concludes the video.